Hi everyone, welcome back to the Trinity College YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. My name is Tam. I am going into my third year this upcoming September at U of T for Life Sciences. So basically this summer I am studying to take the MCAT, which stands for the Medical Colleges Admissions Test. It's basically a 6 to 7 hour exam that most Canadian med schools require you to take. So this vlog will be a lot of study time lapses because this week I had to catch up on a lot of chapters. And also there'll be some other events sprinkled in here and there. So I know a lot of students right now are in summer school / final season. So if you are looking for school, studies / work motivation, this is definitely the right video for you. And I think with that being said, we can get right on into it. Let's go.
Today it was super nice weather, so I decided to study outside. For my MCAT study routine, I am currently using free PDFs of Kaplan textbooks. I found these online and I'm using them to review content. I find the chapters are pretty good and summarized, and I focus on the newer concepts that I am less familiar with. So on Tuesday, I didn't get too much footage because I was actually shadowing my research prof. He's a plastic surgeon and he specializes in burn patients. It was a really eye-opening experience and also a good reminder of the field I'm working towards. If you are interested in job shadowing though, I do recommend you check out U of T's job shadowing program, and you can find out more about it on CLNX. So on Wednesday, my friend and I did a full-length MCAT practice exam, and we did the free Kaplan one. You get it when you sign up for the free trial. If I'm being completely honest though, I was not too happy with my score, but a lot of people on Reddit say the exam is very inflated, which kind of makes me feel better. Anyways, studying with a friend is a good way to keep each other accountable, and it also makes the experience a fun one too.
She calls me day and night.
Later on in the afternoon, I commuted downtown for hospital volunteering. I volunteer at Sickkids in the emergency department, and I help greet patients and their families, and I answer any questions they have. I find it's a very rewarding experience getting to interact with the kids. They are so cute. Saturday morning, my family and I drove to get breakfast. We went to a cute diner, which is a little bit north of Toronto, and I got eggs Benedict with fruit. We took a quick trip to IKEA afterwards, and I tried their strawberry, I think it's ice cream or frozen yogurt, and it was really good. I highly recommend.
Hey friends! So I just got back from IKEA a couple of hours ago, and I thought I would do a quick haul to show you what I got. So first thing I got were these candles. They smell like vanilla and also coconut, I think. There were 30 of them, and to go along with those I got these little, I think it's called tea lights, like to put the candles in. I'm so excited. It looks so cute. I'll show you later what it looks like. But that's just to spice up my study area because it kind of looks the same right now and I kind of want to change things up. Another random thing I got is a watering can to water my plants. She's nice, big, yeah, does the job, I think. And then I got a laundry basket right here. Very cute, functional, practical, all those good things.